Building a successful website with WordPress means you need more than just great content. You need a powerful customer support system. But what is it, and why is it so important? A WordPress customer support system is a dedicated solution designed to manage every customer interaction on your site. Its purpose is to provide timely, effective solutions and maintain a professional attitude, which ultimately builds trust and loyalty with your users. So how do you handle all that? With the right tools, we recommend checking out Support Genix. This powerful WordPress plugin helps you streamline every customer request by giving you a professional support ticket system right on your website. It's an easy-to-use solution that helps you deliver organized, effective support. It's a powerful all-in-one solution that also handles everything from tickets to analytics, and is a great option for its strong CRM and live chat features. The right support system is the key to a thriving business. Take your customer support to the next level.
Try Support Genix for free today.